Hi there! In this short tutorial, we are going to learn how to merge separated PDF file into one file. Here are 3 PDF files. Each contains only one page in it. If this tutorial is useful for you, write your opinion in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe. At the end, we end up like the PDF file which includes all 3 pages in it. Go to browser, type merge PDF, and here select all 3 PDF files. And if you need, you can reorder them and rotate pages. So, press Merge PDF. It's ready, you can download. You can find the PDF file here by clicking Show in Folder. Boom! Here is our merged PDF file, which includes all 3 pages. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!